Hello guys, in my last video I promised that I would come back shortly with drama lessons. Due to the request of some students, at the very beginning I am going to start with phrases. There is a confusion among the students about phrase. They don't know what phrase actually is. Therefore they have requested me, sir, just make us learn what phrase is. For them, for those students, at the very beginning I am telling that phrase is really a part of grammar which gives much trouble to the students, but actually there should have been no trouble. This is very easy and very easy to understand. Now let us learn about phrases. What is phrase? Phrase is actually the combination of a few words, including or excluding prepositions, like according to. According, just a very word. To is a preposition. According to, just we see that there are two words in this combination. Another example I am giving, suppose in accordance with. In first one, accordance second one, with third one. In accordance with, there are two prepositions. Just what I have told, that phrase is a combination of a few words. It may be a combination of two words, it may be the combination of three words, it may be the combination of 4 or 5 words, maybe, and including or excluding preposition. In some phrases there may be preposition, or in some phrases there no preposition exists there, maybe. And this combination of the few words doesn't give the full sense. It always gives a part meaning of a word, just equivalent. This is equivalent to the meaning of a particular word. This doesn't give the clear sense like a sentence. We have to keep it in mind first. Phrase is the combination of a few words and including or excluding preposition. We have to keep it in mind, and always we have to keep it in mind that this doesn't give the full sense. This is just equivalent to the meaning of a very particular word, and therefore this can be classified into 3 parts. What are these 3 parts? First one, noun phrase. Second one, adjective phrase. And third one, adverbial phrase or adverb phrase. Now the students get confused while doing the exercises, and they get confused and ask, sir, what is noun phrase? How do we come to understand that this is noun phrase? How will it be possible for us to realize that this is adjective phrase? And how can we understand that this is adverbial phrase? Just they confused, and therefore just in order to clear their confusion, I am making this video. And here the students, those who are suffering from the problem of phrases, just listen to me. Just I am giving here you the a little bit knowledge regarding the phrases, but this is not easy to give clear meaning of all the phrases in a single video. Therefore, in this video, for the first time, I am going to tell you about the noun phrase. What is noun phrase? How can we identify that this is noun phrase? I will tell you about the noun phrase in this video. What is noun phrase? Just before going to discuss about it, we have to keep in mind that since childhood, we have been learning what is subject and what is predicate. We know that very well. Just in the beginning, the students, just when they start learning English, both in Bengali and English medium classes, they are given exercises to identify what is subject and what is predicate. We know subject is a person or a place or something about which we tell something. And what is predicate? Predication part follows the subject, and these contains verb and others, and predication or predicate part is that what is told about subject. Then in a sentence, if we are asked to distinguish between subject and predicate, if we are asked to divide the subject and predicate, then we have to see about whom or about which the sentence, something is being told. That very thing or that very person will be considered as subject. And then we have to see what is being told about that very subject. And if we can identify that, it will be called predicate. Now, this subject, we have to understand that subject in a sentence must be either a noun or a pronoun. Pronoun, we know that we can replace a noun with the help of a pronoun. Suppose Robin is going to school, then we can tell he is a very good boy. He means just we know that he refers to Robin, and therefore in a sentence either subject, in the first sentence Robin is going to school, Robin is a very good boy, just he is a very good boy. In these sentences we see that we are telling about Robin, and in the second sentence he is a good boy, we are telling about him, that means Robin. Robin is subject here. If in the next sentence, if we tell just another sentence, I am giving an example, suppose Kolkata is a great city. Kolkata is subject. The name of a city, this is subject, and it is a great city. It is a great city. It is being told about Kolkata, that is the predication part. Now I am telling what will be the noun phrase. Noun phrase is always, I have already told that the combination of a few words including or excluding preposition is called subject. Then we have to identify whether in a sentence subject or object position must be noun or pronoun. What is object? We know that after verb, if we ask question with what or whom, with what or whom, the answer will be considered as object. Then what will be the answer? Suppose he gave me a cricket bat. He gave me a cricket bat. Verb here, what is verb here? Verb is gave. Now ask question, gave what? Gave whom? Gave what? Cricket bat. Gave whom? Me. Then whom? Just by asking the question with whom, we have got answer me. By asking question with what, we have got the answer cricket bat. Now cricket bat and me, these are object. When we ask the question with what, after verb if we ask question with what, then the answer will be considered as direct object. And if we ask question with whom, after verb, if we ask question with whom, then the answer will be considered as the indirect object. Then now we see that Robin gave me a cricket bat. Gave what? Gave cricket bat. Gave whom? Gave me. Then me and cricket bat. Cricket bat is here direct object and me here is indirect object. Then we see bat or me, everything is a single word, and either this is noun or this is pronoun. We have seen that. Bat, cricket bat, bat is noun and me is pronoun. Then we see that either subject or object in a sentence must be either noun or pronoun. Now the question is that in a sentence, if we come to see that in place of subject and object, if we find out a combination of a few words acting as subject or acting as object, then it will be called noun phrase. Mind it. Suppose I am giving example. Suppose the sentence is like that: swimming in the Ganges regularly is good for health. Then you see, what is the subject here in the sentence? Swimming in the Ganges. Swimming in the Ganges. The combination of 4 words here in preposition here. Then the combination of 4 words, this acts as the subject here in the sentence. Automatically, as it is subject, it acts like noun, but we can't tell it a single word. That means the combination of word here acts like noun, therefore it will be called noun phrase here. Then what is this? I am telling again, swimming in the Ganges regularly or swimming in the Ganges is good for health. Swimming in the Ganges. We are telling about swimming in the Ganges. Therefore, it is subject. It acts like noun and therefore it is called noun phrase here. Similarly, anything it may be like taking morning walk in the park. Taking morning walk in the park gives us fresh physique. Suppose this is the sentence. Just what we are telling about? Taking morning walk in a park. This is the subject in the sentence. And this acts like noun. Automatically we see that this is the combination of a few words. Taking morning walk in the park. This is the combination of 6 words. And this combination acts like noun here. Automatically this is called the noun phrase. Here all these the 2 examples which I have given just act here like the noun or the subject. Automatically these are called, as these are acting like subjects, we call it noun phrase. Why? We know that I have already told that subject and object are always considered to be noun or pronoun. And there just in place of subject, if we use a combination of words acting like noun, acting like subject, automatically this will be called the noun phrase. Now come, I am giving the example of object here. Suppose my friend likes walking in the garden in the afternoon. The sentence is like that. My friend likes walking in the garden in the afternoon. Just walking in the garden. Just see, my friend likes. What is verb here? Like. Then my friend likes. Likes what? My friend likes what? What does my friend like? That means I have told that after verb we have to ask question with what or whom to get the object. Therefore, if we ask the question after verb, my friend likes walking in the garden in the afternoon, then after like I am asking question, my friend likes what? What is the answer here? The answer we get that likes walking, just like verb. Then what is the answer here? Walking in the garden. Time is not factor. Time will be adverb. We will discuss it later. Just find out the object part. What does my friend like? Walking in the garden. Combination of 3 words. Walking in the garden. Combination of 4 words. Here, this combination of 4 words acts like object. And automatically we know, we have learned that subject and object is always subject. Both subject and object are always considered to be noun or pronoun. And therefore, here in the place of object, like Robin gave me a pen, gave me a bat, like that. Here bat or me, all these are object but a singular word. These were noun, bat is noun, me is pronoun. But here in this subject, just in this sentence, my friend likes walking in the garden. Here, walking in the garden, the combination of 4 words acts here like object. Therefore, it must be treated as either noun or pronoun. But here, there is no pronoun in it. And therefore, the combination acts as noun. Automatically, as it is a combination of 4 words, this can be called just noun phrase. Then guys, we have come to see that in a sentence, subject and object, both these are called to be noun or pronoun. And if in place of the noun, that means the subject, or in place of the object, if we use the combination of a few words acting as noun, then this will be called noun phrase. In next, just in another video, I will give the exercise to how to identify from the, just I will give the lessons to do. Just you have to do how to find out the noun phrases from the sentence, or the blanks will be given there. You will have to just By reading the remaining part, you have to understand what subject or what object is to be placed there to complete the sentence, to give the sentence a complete meaning. That means by using the proper noun phrase, either as subject or either as object, you have to place there to fill in the blanks. Just in order to fill in the blanks, to give it a full meaning, you have to do that. I will give you that exercise later. But here in this video, I just will finish it by giving you and thanking you all that in this video we have come to learn today as noun phrase. In another video, I will discuss regarding the adjective and adverbial phrase. Thank you.